Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today I just got another order from Rare Seeds, which is also known as Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, in the mail today, and I wanted to show you some different varieties that I'm going to be growing this year. So I picked the Awsad eggplant. That's one I'm going to be growing this year. Now this one here can get fruits up to 3 pounds. Now I chose this one because I had seen on another YouTube channel someone had grew this and they got this huge eggplant off of it, and I'm looking for a replacement for Black Beauty. So along with the Rosa Bianca and the Matoya, or Mayoto, I'm not sure how you pronounce that one. I'm going to be growing this one as well. And I also picked out Little Fingers eggplant. Now this one here can get done in 65 days. So 65 days from transplant, it should be setting the buds to give us our eggplant fruit. So I'm going to be growing this one here. Actually, I'm going to be starting it under my Shangsite LED grow light for my indoor vegetable growing experiment. So we're going to move these two here out of the way. Now these are littler eggplants, and you can harvest them finger-sized or larger. So I really wanted to try this one here, so we're going to be trying this one here. Show you what else we got here. I also went with bok choy. Now this came highly recommended to me. Bok choy did by some different people, and I decided to give it a try. So I'm also going to be trying these indoors under my Shangsite LED grow light for my indoor vegetable growing experiment. I'm going to be putting these here. I'm going to be starting those under there. So we went with the purple lady. This one here is supposed to be loaded with antioxidants, and this is a new variety here. And I'm also going to be trying this one here. Now this is I believe it's a baby bok choy, and so we're going to be trying these here. And then I'm going to be growing my birdhouse gourds again, so I had to get some seeds for those. And this is a Nigella, I believe that's pronounced Nigelia, but this is also known as Love in a Mist, and this is a Miss Jekyll mix. Now these here, they do say that they can be poisonous, so you want to make sure that you keep these like out of reach of your animals and children. So we're going to be trying these new this year. I've never tried these before, but they look really neat looking from the pack. And then as my free gift, I got a purple Russian tomato. So I did some research on this. I couldn't find it on their website for some reason, but I did find some information out about this. It's a 75 days. It is a big producer, and it takes hot and cold. It has egg-shaped fruit. They're smooth and perfect, and they're blemish-free, and they have a flavor that tops the charts. And one thing I read says it has like a smoky flavor to it. So we're going to be trying this one out this year. I'm excited to try this one. They said it's like a paste tomato. So I'm really excited to try this one. So that's some of the new stuff that I'm going to be growing this year and trialing out and trying. And I'm really excited to get to taste these varieties. And we also will be growing, let me get to that in a moment here. We will also be trying the Oregon Sugar Pod 2 snow peas. So we'll be trying those. And we're also going to be trying this pepper too. Now I already got the seeds for these, and I did a 6-pack up of these. Now these are supposed to be really good for grilling, and they're supposed to be incredibly fragrant and tasty. So my dad actually picked these out, and he picked out the snow peas as well. and he wanted to give them a try. So we're going to be giving them a try this year. They are a sweet pepper, and they're an outstanding roasting pepper, they say, so we'll see how they do for us. And then I'm also going to be trying some different varieties of onions, and they're in the mail. So, yellow of Parma onion. Now this one here, it's a long day onion, and it's an excellent keeper. So we needed some onions that we could keep for storage. So we decided to try this one here. It's an old Italian heirloom, and it's rare and hard to find. And we decided to give this one here a try too. I believe it's pronounced Elisa Craig. Now this one here, it's not a storage type onion, but these onions are supposed to get like 5 pounds, is rather common. So my dad had seen this one and he really wanted to try it. So we're going to be trying this one out too this year. And they say it's relatively mild and sweet. So it's recommended for fresh use. And it is a long day onion. So that'll work for northern growers as well. So I'm waiting for that shipment to come, so we can try those this year as well. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a Twitter account, and I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. You can see what I'm going to be growing new this year, how different stuff's doing, what videos are coming up, gardening tips, and all kinds of different things. So you can go check that out. I hope you have a nice day. Bye!